Hey everyone, Casey Neistat here. We all love a good article, right? They give us the facts, the insights, the stories. But let's be real, sometimes our eyes glaze over. We live in a fast-paced world. People want their information quickly and engagingly. That's where videos come in. Think about it, what's more captivating? Reading a wall of text or watching a dynamic video? Videos grab your attention. They use visuals, music and narration to tell a story. They make learning fun and memorable. Turning your articles into videos isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. It's about reaching a wider audience. It's about making your content accessible to everyone. It's about taking your storytelling to the next level. So are you ready to transform your articles into captivating videos? Let's do this. First things first, you need to choose the right article. Not every article is meant for video. Look for articles that have a strong narrative. Think about stories that evoke emotion, spark curiosity, or offer practical advice. The best articles have a clear core message. What's the one thing you want your viewers to take away? Once you know the core message, you can build your video around it. Remember, you're not just reciting the article, you're adapting it for a new medium. Let's say you have an article about the benefits of meditation. Don't just list the benefits. Tell a story about someone who transformed their life through meditation. Show the viewer the impact it can have. Choosing the right article is crucial. It sets the foundation for your entire video. Now that you have your article, it's time to create a roadmap. This is where scripting and storyboarding come in. Think of your script as the dialogue for your video. It should be concise, engaging, and easy to understand. Break down your article into key points. Then turn those points into a conversational script. Use language that you would use in everyday conversation. Remember, you're talking to your audience, not at them. Storyboarding is like creating a comic book version of your video. Sketch out each scene. What visuals will you use? How will you transition between scenes? This helps you visualize the flow of your video. A well-written script and storyboard will save you time and effort during filming and editing. Section 4. Visuals that pop, bringing your story to life. A video is more than just words on a screen, it's a visual experience. You need to use visuals that grab the viewer's attention and enhance your message. Think about the type of visuals that will resonate with your audience. If your article is about travel, use stunning footage of landscapes and landmarks. If it's about cooking, show close-ups of the ingredients and the cooking process. Don't be afraid to get creative. Use a mix of photos, videos, animations, and graphics. There are tons of free and affordable resources available online. You can also shoot your own footage to give your video a personal touch. Remember, visuals are powerful tools. Use them wisely to create a video that is both informative and visually appealing. Section 5. Finding your voice, recording your narration. It's time to bring your script to life with your voice. A good narration can make or break a video. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional voice actor. Just be yourself. Speak clearly, naturally, and with enthusiasm. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Use a good quality microphone to ensure your voice is clear. Practice reading your script a few times before you hit record. Don't be afraid to experiment with your tone and delivery. Inject your personality into your narration. Most importantly, have fun with it. Section 6. Editing magic, piecing together your masterpiece. You've got all the pieces, now it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Video editing might seem daunting, but it's actually a lot of fun. There are tons of user-friendly video editing software available. Find one that suits your needs and budget. Import your narration, visuals and music into your editing software. Start by arranging your clips in the order of your storyboard. Then trim the clips to the appropriate length. Add transitions between scenes to create a smooth flow. Don't overdo it with the effects. Keep it simple and let your content shine through. The goal is to create a video that is both visually appealing and easy to follow. Section 7. Feedback is key. Get ready for the red pen. You've poured your heart and soul into creating this video. Now it's time to get some feedback. Show your video to a few trusted friends or colleagues. Ask them for their honest opinions. Don't be afraid of constructive criticism. It will only make your video stronger. Pay attention to their suggestions and make the necessary edits. Remember, you're not just creating this video for yourself, you're creating it for your audience. Once you've incorporated the feedback, watch your video one last time with fresh eyes. Make any final tweaks and adjustments. Now, you're ready to share your creation with the